Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on West Brom Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in westbrom.co.uk/mortgages and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for West Brom Mortgages. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and then click on view your mortgage account online. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your date of birth before you enter your username and then type in your last name underneath. You can then type in your postcode of the mortgage property and then enter your mortgage account number. Finally, click on the submit button and you will be asked to enter your username and password. After entering both of your username and password, you can click on the login button and you will be logged in to your West Brom mortgage account right away. In case you cannot log in or forgot your credentials, you can click on the Contact Us option from the homepage and you can get in touch with the support team to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account with West Brom. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.